All right, we're ready to go.
I think in today's environment, you need to harness any technology that helps your business grow. And Rilla is certainly one of those components.
Rilla is an AI-based ride-along program that allows us to listen in on conversations with customers and technicians.
You have the opportunity to review each day when it's done and making yourself better going forward.
Trades Holding Company, LLC, has several brands. They are primarily engaged in residential service.
Prior to working with Rilla, all of our training ride-alongs were done in person, which is very limited from a time constraint.
We've done 5,000 virtual ride-alongs in the last 30 days with 130 technicians. So I think that math speaks for itself in how it's helped us.
You can tell that sales have increased.
Our opportunity average is up at 17% since the beginning of this calendar year. That's a big factor.
And maybe more importantly than that, the confidence that the service professional has increased as well. I would convince you to use Rilla because of the great coaching tools and the AI tools that they have to help you.
It's a big benefit in training our technicians and sales representatives in a faster pace.
The assistance from Rilla in closing and making continuing contributions to help us is priceless.
Rilla's been a great partner to work with. It's definitely helping us grow our business and our employees.
Good stuff. Thank you.